Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to use the brush feature on Paint in Windows 11. Microsoft Paint has long included a brush tool, but it was once limited to a single size. Now with Windows 11, the app features an updated brush tool that offers a variety of brush styles and lets you adjust the brush tip size to create lines of different thicknesses. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to hit the Start button, and then you have to search for the Paint tab and click the top result to open the app. Optionally, you can click on the file and then select Import to Canvas menu and then choose From a File option to add an image. And then you have to click the brush button from the command bar. If you want to change the brush tip, just open the brush menu instead and select the tip option. And then you have to select the thickness of the brush with the slider on the left side. And after you complete these quick steps, you have to click and drag your mouse on the canvas to create strokes. The longer you drag, the longer the line will be. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to make the most of the brush feature in the Paint tab. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest guide. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.